Hey everyone, welcome to Boom and Big's TV. Today we are making smoothies and pouring it inside of pineapples. So we're trying this new tool that we got to core the pineapple and spiral it so that we can pour the smoothie inside of the pineapple and also eat the pineapple slices. So we're trying this for the first time.
The tool is a pineapple corer and slicer that we found on Amazon for only $9.90. I will leave a link in the description in case you're interested in ordering one.
Looks like, guys. I think it's awesome. Perfect little smoothie holder. And then when you're done, you just decorate it with these pineapple slices. For the smoothie, I'm using frozen bananas and frozen strawberries with tropical passion fruit juice, organic. It's apple, mango, passion fruit, and pear. So here's what the smoothie looks like. I made it kind of thick. Like the smoothies?
Yes, they good. So we got the pineapple smoothies, and then we're gonna tell y'all in a spaghetti challenge. So it's gonna be tonight. We're gonna do the smoothie with the spaghetti.
How about you, Cayden? You love it? Oh, he's eating all the pineapples too. This is so healthy.
Really
Really good lunch for you guys.